Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Suni World. This is your Sunita. If you're not yet subscribed, first please subscribe to my channel. Advancedly thanks for that. Today in this video, I'm going to show you Marina's Wharf restaurant is in Hout Bay, Cape Town. It is the first harbourfront emporium in Africa. It consists of the upsides Wharfside Grill restaurant, the downsides fast food seafood bistro, nautical gift shops, bakery and fish market. Conceptualized and built during the 1980s by Hout Bay's very own Stanley Dorman, it has continued to grow under his and his family. Its restaurants, shops and markets exude a maritime ambience as is nowhere else to be found and has become a unique destination where the famous and locals, jet setters and tourists rub shoulders with old salts and venerable fishing captains. Well worth a visit indeed. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can't miss my upcoming new videos.